I'm going to start with the largest box. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have RC 30. Yep, right there. The cellular climbs was 4 parts are not working, so we're gonna find out later if we can make them work. An RC Thomas, remote control Thomas. It's okay. What's this? Forgot the name of this. It's tiny little more steam roller or something. Okay, we have a scarroy right here. It's in decent shape, not bad. Okay, throttle and truck, caboose, and brake van. Spare Thomas, chassis, motor. Oh, right here. Here's the top. Nice. And some trees and geotrack something. And oh, excellent. Here's a torque and action Thomas. And more sheds. All right, next. Okay, we have Bulgy, the bus. Steam along Thomas. Thomas, nice shape. Elizabeth. And I don't know what's this bus. Bertie, the bus. And Duke. This is metal engine. And what's this? A little bus. Look at that. And okay, here's Plarail for the steam alone set. And I don't know, Thunderbird or something for kids play. I don't know, another bus, metal bus, not for Thomas, and a wooden rail with Thomas. All right, next. Okay, Edward. Another Edward. The wires are cut. That's okay. Used to modify or make a custom engine. Okay, last one. Not the last one. I still have more boxes. Another one. I'm trying to open it real careful. what is in. Okay, got it right here. And here is Hank. It looks really nice. See, this is the way to open it. Anyways, and here is the last package of today. Oh, you have no idea what is in here. This is a really nice and hard to find model vehicle. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Did you figure out now what is in here? Wow, look at that. Wow, 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 look at this. Lorry 1, Lorry, or Lorry 1, 1995. Brit Alcroft. Wow. It is a really nice item. If I don't mistake, I remember the listing, the seller claims was not working, so I did not hesitate in buying it. Later we are going to see if we can fix it or repair, depending on the damage. It's inside of this little vehicle. I'm pretty sure we're going to fix it if something is wrong. It looks like it's clean, no damage. I think it should be a really easy fix, maybe just a little high voltage, maybe 5 volts, and we'll be ready to go. Alright, thanks for watching. Over and out.